How to delete price alert on KuCoin. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you're using the KuCoin app and want to delete a price alert, it's pretty straightforward. First of all, launch open the KuCoin application on your device and sign into your account. Once you're inside, go ahead and click on the Markets tab at the bottom center, and inside the Markets tab, open up the currency pair you previously added price alert for. Once you've done that, go to the top right section and tap on the bell icon, which should be lit, and the color should appear as yellow. This means you have enabled alert for the specific trading pair. Go ahead and look for all alerts at the bottom, and if you want to delete an alert, tap on the cross icon right next to the alert and the alert will be removed. Repeat this process for every other alert you'd like to delete, and that's it. So that's how simple it is. All you need to do is to find the alert and remove it inside the alert tab. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.